I have gotten a lot of requests to vlog more, so that's what I'm doing today. We are actually on our way right now to go get some more food and just supplies and stock up because of everything going on. I mean, we were like pretty prepared, I guess. I'm not really sure like everything that's going on, but what I do know is that we're just doing everything on our end to be safe and, you know, washing our hands, all the things, but also we want to be prepared just in general for like any type of emergency, like an earthquake or, you know, anything. So I guess, you know, we live in California. They've already declared a state of emergency in our state. So people are already kind of like panicking and freaking out. So I've gotten a lot of requests to kind of do a vlog and show you how we've prepared and like what we've stocked up on. And so I'm going to show you guys that when we get home. But right now we're currently running to Target, and depending on what's there, I know a lot of stuff is like sold out right now. We've ordered a lot of stuff online recently, but we don't know like if it's gonna actually be shipped. So we kind of ordered stuff online, and we're also trying to go get stuff before we are put on a quarantine if that happens. Again, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor. I have no idea about this virus. All I know is it's like very contagious. I know that people, so far this is what I've been told or what I've heard from like the news and the media, is that the elderly are really affected by it. This is all just from things I've heard. So what we're doing and what I suggest you guys do is just to be prepared, because you never know what can happen, and it just gives you a peace of mind regardless if you think that this is not a big deal and people are freaking out for no reason. Like regardless of any of that, whether you're super scared or not scared at all, you should always be prepared for an emergency, any type of emergency, a hurricane, a tornado, an earthquake, fire, or bigger things. And so that's why I say prepare, but don't go hoarding all the toilet paper, you guys. Like no one can find toilet paper anywhere. You know, people are panicking and they're buying up everything, and you know, kind of sucks. So get what you need for like 2 weeks, not 2 years. You know, leave some for the rest of us. Also, I posted on Instagram our secret spot for toilet paper, since it's sold out everywhere, is Trader Joe's. So if you have one, don't go hoarding all of it, but if you do need toilet paper, you can get it there. We're gonna show you what our Target currently looks like and what's sold out. And like right now, everybody's still at work, so we were hoping this would be a good time for us to go out and get stuff, but we'll see. I don't know if people are leaving work, but what are your thoughts on everything, Trav?
So I think, you know, kind of like you mentioned, you know, you had said, I don't totally know what's going on. I think everybody is sort of in the same boat. I think everyone is not really sure what's going on. And so I think that being prepared for multiple circumstances, I think, is the most important thing. And the specific like 2-week quarantine thing, as far as like getting supplies and stuff, that's not just like a 2-week thing. It's just if transit stops and overseas shipments stop, the secondary part of that is we may not be able to get things for a much longer time, rather than just stuck in your house or something like that. So we're going and physically picking up stuff. But for example, you can get a lot of stuff on Amazon, but I didn't just order like 30 things on Amazon. I ordered it from different websites that uses the postal service, FedEx, UPS. I'm gonna order stuff from Amazon. So I have multiple businesses and supplies, like companies or whatever, that are basically able to hopefully ship stuff, as well as getting some supplies. And we already got some supplies, you know, a couple of weeks ago too. So I don't really know what's going on. I mean, I don't think anybody does, but it's just trying to like be smart, be safe. There are things that I don't know if people know, but if you have a water heater, you have 50 gallons of water in an emergency you can use from that. You can use the water from the back of your toilet, not toilet water, but the back of the toilet.
Babe, I think we should do a video for tips to survive, and we can do all of those tips because I know how to make homemade sanitizer, hand sanitizer that's sold out everywhere.
So we're spending a decent amount of money, but I told Shannon, I said, the stuff that I'm buying is not gonna go bad, meaning the shelf life is at least a year old.
There's a lot of people out right now. Like, look at this. Shit is crazy right now, you guys. I cannot believe this. Literally, Disneyland is closing down. Do you know that Disneyland has only shut their park down 4 times since it's open? You know shit is getting real when Disneyland closes down. Also, Europe has been banned from travel for like the next 30 days. Schools and colleges are shutting down. The NBA has been suspended. Like concerts and gatherings like Coachella, all the festivals have been canceled or postponed. It's insane what is going on right now. And I know that it has a lot of people like in a state of panic and worry, and it's totally understandable to be scared. But if I can help you guys like feel a little bit better at all, it's okay, Snowy, including where we live, which is in Los Angeles. So it is is raining like crazy, which it like never rains in LA. And it looks like this place is really busy. It's like the middle of the day. People are supposed to be at work right now, but apparently everybody is at Target stocking up. So this should be interesting on what it currently looks in Target, and I'll bring you guys in there to see like what's sold out in our Target right now. But I plan on making a tips to survive video because we do have a lot of like advice I think that we could pass on to you guys. Bless you, Snow. So definitely stay tuned for that. But we're gonna show you guys like kind of what we're buying and what we've stocked up on to kind of prepare. So if you guys want to check that out, keep watching. So I put this hat on because it's raining and I don't want my hair to get really wet. Okay, so we're trying to just prepare ourselves now. But I did want to say, like, as crazy as that sounds, we're trying to make the best of like a bad situation. I feel like I've done this my whole life. Like anytime something shitty happens, like I try to make the best of it. And so I'm just trying to do the same thing for this. I'm like, okay, we're just gonna think of it as like a staycation. We're gonna do all the things that we've been wanting to do but haven't had the time to do, you know, like learning a new language online, or like, I don't know, taking up a new craft, doing some arts and crafts, like doing some spring cleaning, you know, reorganizing our closets, just stuff that we can do at home and just really take advantage of that. We're getting our favorite foods and our favorite snacks. We're gonna like binge some Netflix, you know, we're gonna make the best of it. I know, again, it's scary. People are like, what are we gonna do with our jobs? Like, we can't work. And I think that like the government is supposed to be trying to help with that, like as far as subsidizing pay and people so that, you know, they still can make money while they're not working during this time, especially if it's like kind of mandatory that we're being quarantined. So it should give you a little bit more like hope or whatever, but definitely, again, just trying to make the best of it and, you know that it's not gonna last forever. It's just temporary and we're all gonna get through this together. So don't worry, and I'll be making sure to keep posting videos to help you guys, give you guys some advice on anything that I think I can help you with, and also just to try to entertain you as best as I can. So I love you guys, and let's head into Target and see what we can find. Are we almost ready? You ready to go into Target, Snow? So this is currently like the cleaning supplies, like totally freaking sold out. Holy shit. Wow. So we're trying to find like some cleaning stuff. Hey, cutie. This is just crazy, you guys. Anything to like disinfect is all sold out. At least they have the essentials. Most of the frozen foods are sold out. Thankfully, all the vegan food is still here, except for some of the good ones. Thank God they still have vegan food. This place is out of freaking everything. So far, we have this, but we're gonna go look to see if they have diapers and wipes. She's super sensitive, so she's only allowed to get certain ones. They're out of all baby wipes. So we've looked online, they're sold out there. Literally nothing. Are you living your best antivirus life, Snowy? The planters are still in stock. All the expensive stuff is still available. $7 for 4 protein bars. The alcohol is still all here, so we're good. You're gonna have a quarantine party, you're good to go. We're trying to find like vodka for like sanitizer to make our own at home. This is our cart. We're getting ready to check out. It's all the stuff that we got. Snows getting really fussy. It's crazy in here. All right, we survived Target. Okay, you guys, we survived Target, and now I'm gonna show you our possible quarantine survival haul. So here we go. Where should we store all the diapers, baby?
Upstairs in her closet.
So apparently if you're trying to like make your own hand sanitizer or disinfect stuff because everything is sold out, you can get vodka, but just know that you have to get like 70% proof vodka or something in order for it to actually like kill a virus. That's just what I heard. They didn't have that, so we just got 40%. We just got what we could. So yeah, have that. What did we get? Okay, so I got full juice. That's the only thing that I drink is water and apple juice. Whoa. I got her a ball at Target because she loved the balls at my gym and we had to freeze her membership, so she's having fun with that right now. I need cream cheese.
Text me.
Alright.
Be back in just a minute.
You want my toothbrush? Oh my god, okay, like 3 different toothbrushes, huh? You're a picky baby. Let me rinse it off for you, okay? You want this? Come here. Here you go. Travis got some organic cranberry juice in case we get like a UTI or something, and also just because it's good for you. What else did we get? $427 at Target today. We got bunch of pouches for Snow. We also forgot our bags apparently. So yeah, mainly just like stuff for Snow. Baby detergent. Can you guys even see? Hold on, let me bring you closer. We haven't tried this baby detergent yet, but we'll see how we like it. Again, we're not concerned about being zero waste at this time because our state is in an emergency or has been declared in an emergency right now. So lots of just like pouches for her that we know are not gonna go bad. We got some fruit snacks, which I never normally get stuff like this. This is like a luxury in our house. But again, because of quarantine, we got oatmeal for Snow and more pouches. So that's what was in that bag. Let's see, Travis got aluminum foil, Ziploc bags. Normally, like I said, like we were doing the whole zero waste thing, and right now, clearly that's not a concern. We got some protein bars for us. We got some yogurt. These are the So Delicious ones. We are vegan, so obviously everything I'm pulling out showing you is vegan. I got some Tums, the generic kind, because it was like the one medical thing that was like left at Target. So yeah, I got that. Travis got more Ziploc bags, frozen meals. This is actually really good. I don't know if you guys have tried this before, but Amy's has some good stuff. Travis also got lots of greens. I feel so bad about all these bags. I'm gonna save all the paper bags though because I can use them to like wrap presents in the future and stuff. More pouches for Snow. More pouches for Snow. Apparently Snow is not gonna go hungry. We go through a lot of milk in this house, mainly because Snow still drinks a good amount of milk. And I use a lot of milk in my coffee. I have 2 cups of coffee a day. I put a lot of milk in. So we got quite a bit of milk because we go through it very quickly in this house. So we did not like hoard milk when we went there. This is how much we normally get, just so you know. And it was not very much left anyway. So we got some kitchen bags and it's raining. So as you can see, they're like already falling apart because they got wet. More pouches for Snow. More pouches for Snow. Oh, Snow, honey, you will never starve. I can promise you that. Snow also really loves pretzels. So do I. So we got 2 bags of pretzels. The family size. Huh, Snowy? Family size pretzels. We got some Vegan-A's because I thought we could make some sandwiches. We haven't had some in a while. And then we also got some more protein bars. Oh, my big girl. Mommy's showing basically everything that we went shopping for you, honey. You want some? You want some yogurt? Or you just want to play with it? Are you hungry? I think she just wants to play with it. We'll see. Would you like a pouch? Let's try one. So we feed her real food also, not just like baby food. I know there's a lot of pouches, but these are for snacks for her. So she has them like in between meals. So hopefully that makes sense. I know a lot of people see me like feeding her a bottle still with milk and also see like these little pouches, and she eats this along with what we eat. Good job. Are you putting the cap back on? Good girl. You're so smart, honey. All right, let's see. What else did we get? We got some frozen like crispy mandarin orange chicken. They're actually really good. I got some Q-tips. We got a bunch more milk. Probably the most important thing I bought at Target was absolutely this by far, hands down, was my mascara. That's a joke, obviously, but I was glad that wasn't sold out. These things are ridiculously expensive, but they're really good and nice to have. Oh my God, don't judge us. Basically, all I bought was milk and baby food pouches. Also deodorant. This is how much it was raining, you guys. Literally, this is like totally open from just the water. All right, last bag. They were all out of bread, but I was able to find some bagels in a totally separate aisle. Almost looks like someone put them back and I was like, mine. And I'm happy that I got those because I'm a glutton for gluten. Ow! Oh no, I just spilled yogurt all over the floor. I dropped it and it spilled. Okay, no, no, no. No, no, no. Snow goes right for it. Oh, all right, don't touch that, baby, okay? No, 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 no. Ah! Okay, too late. Can I see your hand, please? Can you wash your hand? It's gonna be all sticky. So in case you are sold out of toilet paper where you're at, or not toilet paper, I'm sorry, paper towels, you can start doing what we do, which is we stopped using paper towels and now we just use like washcloths and stuff as paper towels, and it works really well. Not as convenient, but you know, it works, especially if you don't have that stuff available to you, because everywhere we've been, it's been sold out. Also, I got this awesome tunnel for Snow to play in. Where's Snow? Are you brushing your teeth? Come here, come to mommy. You really shouldn't have that toothbrush while you're playing. Can I see it? Yeah, can I see it? Here, what's this? And she loved it. More deodorant. Chicken, crispy Gardein chicken tender things. More deodorant. This stuff is so bad for you, by the way, but I have like a problem with sweating and it just feels gross to me to have that. This was the one kid's medicine that was left. There was more bottles of them and I left them for other people. You're welcome. But yeah, we just got one. More oatmeal for Snow, more pouches for Snow, some vegan meat for sandwiches, and last but not least, some more protein bars. Everything that we got and stocked up on, mainly for Snow. We also got some diapers for her. They were all out of wipes, but they had diapers. So yeah, she really loves the little pouches as like a snack. And we give her like berries and fruit and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, like yogurt, but she loves her pouches. So we made sure to get them. So that's basically all we have. Definitely stay tuned because we really want to give you guys tips for surviving, because we actually had quite a few, like how to make your own hand sanitizer, where there's water in your house that you maybe just don't know about, and a lot of other things. So definitely stay tuned. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else that you guys want to see. We are sending you all of our love and all of our positive energy. We hope to see you in our next video. Mwah. Bless you. You want to say goodbye? Bye-bye. Bye, sweetheart. Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Good girl. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Bye. I love you. Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say dad? Can you say baby? No? Yes, you can. Oh, you want to vlog as always at the end? Hey, just don't drop it, okay? Oh, are you gonna film something else? You gonna film mommy? Oh my god, you guys, she's vlogging. She's literally walking around with the camera the right way. Good girl. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. Mommy's so proud. Are you gonna go in your tunnel? Hey, careful, don't drop it. I wish you guys could see her right now. Okay, can I see this? Turn it around like this, look. Okay. I see you! I see you! I'm gonna come through. Here I come. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck. Are you still recording? So here was some of the stuff that we got from Target. I just laid it out so you can see it nicer. Hi, baby. You want mommy to hold you? And then Travis just got back from Trader Joe's. And come here. You just wanted mommy to hold you? And then this is some of the stuff that Travis got from Trader Joe's. So you could see. This is actually quite a bit for what the store looked like. It looked like it was full. Oh, you got chocolate chips. My soulmate. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of this for the next couple of weeks. Cuddling, huh?
She's covering her eyes.
She's tired.
Yeah, no filming, please. She had a pretty adventurous day. She got a lot of exercise, though.
Yeah, she got her a really cool little tube thing from Target and a new ball and stuff, so she has some new toys to play with.
Yeah.
She's good.
She was running around outside of Target and stuff, too, playing.